G'day. I want to have a talk to you today about the IAmACreator movement. Are you part of it? I hope you are, and if you're not, then I'm going to introduce you to a community on YouTube that you really do need to be a part of. I've only been part of it for probably less than a week, and I've already got a whole heap of supporters from that community who've become part of my community, Aussie Mark's channel. So let me tell you about what happened. Basically, there's all of these people on YouTube who are committed to helping other YouTubers and in the process helping themselves. So this is not for anybody who just wants to do a sub for sub. It's nothing like doing a sub for sub. What it is finding a group of like-minded people who are willing to watch your videos to give you watch time, not just jump in, say, I'm going to subscribe to you and leave, but actually watch your videos and increase your view time. And as we all know, YouTube really wants us to get more views. And for those of us who are chasing the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a year, then view time is really, really important. So basically, these people are willing to not only become a subscriber of your channel, but also to leave a comment, leave a like, and support you in any way that they can. And in turn, what they ask is, well, not what they ask, but what the group is about is you supporting them as well. So don't become part of IAmACreator movements if you feel that you just want to grow your channel, but you aren't willing to put in the hours to watch other people's videos, make comments on them, like them, and just generally give support. Pop in if they're on a live stream and just say hi, even if it is only for a minute or two. I got involved because I was on a live stream with my friend Keith from Eagle VP, and I'm going to put his link up there on the channel, on the card. So please go over and show some love to Eagle VP if you haven't already subscribed to his channel. So with the IAmACreator movements, they don't even like to use the word subscribers, because you're not just a subscriber to these other people on the community, you're a supporter of theirs. So what I've been doing is I've been finding people in the IAmACreator community. I've been watching some of their videos and watching all the way through a lot of them, leaving a comment saying something about the video, something you liked about the video, actually prove that you watched it by watching it and making a comment about something in the video. And that you are there to support them, that you want to be a part of their community, and that you left a like. And instead of saying you hit the subscriber button or that you became a subscriber, just say something like, I hit the red supporter button, or I hit that big red button. They don't like to use the word subscriber, and I don't blame them either, because you're not just a subscriber, you're a member of my community when you subscribe to me. When you hit the subscribe button. I used it. See, I'm out of the habit. I need to be saying when you support me. So how do you become a part of this? Well, the first thing that you do is you put hashtag IAmACreator on your title, in your description, and in your tags. And that way, if you then want to go and find other people who are like-minded, all you need to do is do a search on hashtag IAmACreator. And you'll see that in the description of this particular video. But more than that, finding people that are definitely going to be supporting you and becoming a supporter of your channel. One of the ways that was done by Keith, and Keith recommended me to James Cox, and there's another channel that I'm going to put a link up to, that one there. Please subscribe to James. James is one of the biggest advocates of IAmACreator, and I hope you'll go and give him some love. But basically what James did and what Keith's done and what I'm doing is creating a playlist of all of the people who are in the IAmACreator movement that I've subscribed to, just putting one of their videos into the playlist, and the playlist will be up there as well. There you go, there's a third card, and in the description of course. And then basically when you've got time, if you go to my playlist, then go across to each of these people in turn, watch their video, say hi, tell them that you're there to support them, make some kind of a comment about their video, you know, and actually show them that you care. Then please don't say, I want a sub, but you know, tell them that you support them, that you're glad to be part of their community. Maybe tell them that you left a like. If you want to say you hit the red button, the red support button, that's okay, but don't use the word subscriber. And you know, if you don't have to ask for people to subscribe to you either, because that just sounds like sub for sub again. You know, I went and found a few people this morning, and all I did was say, you know, hi, I liked your video, I liked whatever it was about the video, hope you have a great day. And because they're well-meaning people with a great heart, and they appreciate you spending the time on their channel, they'll come back and show you some love on your channel as well. So be a part of the IAmACreator movement by putting hashtag IAmACreator in your title, description, and in the tags. And you'll be part of that movement too. And you know, if I haven't subscribed to you already, and geez, I hope I have, then I will definitely subscribe to you if you're part of the IAmACreator movement, and together we'll grow. I actually, in this week since I became part of the movement, I have gained nearly 20 subscribers. And you know, who doesn't want 20 more subscribers on their channel? 20 more supporters, 20 more people who are actually genuinely there. Because hey, we've all got subscribers on our channel that just hit the subscribe, and they probably never comment, they probably hardly ever watch your videos. But you know, these people will take the time to do that and grow you as a community, as you're becoming part of my community too. So that's all I wanted to say for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this, this beautiful view behind me. This is the Strand here in Townsville, and I'm Aussie Mark. If you haven't met me already, hey, show me some love. Click that big red supporter button. Take care, bye for now. I'll see you on the next video. All the best.